To use the military discount code for YouTube TV, start by verifying your military status through a website called ShareID, which is a third-party platform that YouTube TV uses to confirm eligibility for their military discount. Once you are on the ShareID website, click on the Get Started button and follow the prompts to create an account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name and email address, as well as proof of your military status, which can be a military ID, a veteran ID, or a discharge document. After your military status has been verified, ShareID will provide you with a unique discount code that you can use to sign up for YouTube TV at a discounted rate. To use this code, go to the YouTube TV website and click on the Try It Free button. Enter your email address and password to create a YouTube TV account. Then click on the Have a promo code link and enter the discount code provided by ShareID. The military discount for YouTube TV is a significant savings of $20 per month, which brings the cost down to $55 per month. To complete the sign-up process, enter your payment information and confirm that you agree to the terms of service. Your YouTube TV account will then be activated and you can start streaming your favorite channels and shows right away. It is worth noting that the military discount code can only be used by new YouTube TV subscribers, and it is not available to existing subscribers. Additionally, the discount code can only be used once per account, so be sure to use it when you first sign up for YouTube TV to get the most value out of it. By following these steps, you can easily use the military discount code to save money on your YouTube TV subscription. This discount is a great way for military personnel and veterans to save money on streaming services, and it is a valuable benefit that can be used in conjunction with other promotions and discounts offered by YouTube TV.